Hi everyone, Vincenzo here. In this video we're going to work on the main theme of The Good, the Bad and the Ugly, a soundtrack masterpiece. This is a super catchy melody that everyone has heard at least once in their lifetime. I will also be explaining the chords. Let's start by playing the entire melody slowly. Try to follow the tab on the screen. I will then explain it note by note. The melody is based on this little lick. The notes are A and D. This is a perfect fourth interval. I'm using the middle finger and the ring finger to play it so that I can easily add some vibrato. The middle finger is on the second string and the ring finger is on the first string. You might think of using the index finger like this. And yes, you will be able to play the notes, however, you won't be able to add much vibrato, which you really need for this melody. The entire melody is based on a call and response structure. This is the call, and the responses change every time. I'm gonna divide the main theme into 4 musical phrases. We start with the 5th fret on the second string, then the 5th fret on the first string. Then we repeat the same 2 notes again, and then we end on the 5th fret of the second string. And this is the call. Remember to add some vibrato, like this. This is the movement that I do to have some vibrato. Then we have the response. 1, 3, 2. The index on the 1st fret of the second string. Then the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the second string. And then the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, like this. All together, call, response. For the right hand, I'm using the index to play the 1st string and the thumb to play all the other strings. I will be doing that throughout the entire melody. The second phrase is the same as the first one. In fact, only the last note will change. We will land on the 8th fret of the second string, like this. So I'm sliding from fret number 3 to fret number 8, using the ring finger. All together, call, response, 1, 3, 8. Here we have some variations. First of all, the main lick has 1 less note. In fact, we will land on the 5th fret of the first string. So, we start with the 5th fret on the second string, then the 5th fret on the first string, and then again we repeat the same 2 notes. Don't forget to add some vibrato. So this is the call, then the response, 1, 0, 2, 0. So the index on the 1st fret of the second string, the second string open, the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then the 3rd string open. So the response. Now all together, call, response. We go back to the main lick. So 5, 5, 5, 5, ending on the 5th fret of the second string. Then with my middle finger I'm pressing the 7th fret of the 3rd string, sliding up to the 2nd fret, which I will be playing twice, like that. I'm using my middle finger, but you could be using your index, it doesn't really matter. All together, 3, 4, call, response. So we worked on these 4 phrases separately. Now work on putting everything together. Move to the next phrase only when you are 100% confident with the previous one. Once you're ready, practice the entire melody. I'm gonna play the chords for you like a live backing track so that you can practice the melody together with me. Slowly at 85 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. normal speed of 100 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before moving to the chords, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your help. If you want a one-to-one lesson to work on this song or anything else, remember I offer a free online introductory lesson. Check the link in the description or simply reach out to me. Having said that, let's have a look at the chords. The chords that we need for this tune are D minor, G, C, B flat and A minor. Before we go any further, let me show you the chord shapes. So, D minor, G, C, B flat and A minor. This is the chord progression we have to follow. D minor for 4 beats, then G for 4 beats, then D minor again for 4 beats, then C, then B flat and A minor. They all last for 4 beats. Then we have D minor for 2 beats, G for 2 beats, and then again D minor for 4 beats. Let me show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. A very easy strumming pattern for this song is this. Down, down, up, down. Again. Down, down, up, down. Let's just practice this on its own. For now, I'm playing a D minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down again. Now let's practice with a drum beat. 2, 3, 4. Now, let's follow the chord progression. Bear in mind that when we reach the D minor and G that lasts for 2 beats, we will have this. This is because the strumming pattern lasts for 4 beats, whilst D minor and G only for 2. Now, let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor, G, D minor, C, B flat, A minor, D minor, G, D minor. If you want, when we get to the D minor and G that lasts for 2 beats each, we can do a variation. We can simply strum down twice on each chord, like this, D minor, G. Let me show you how it sounds when I play the entire chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready for the variation. Now that you can play the melody and the chords, why don't you record yourself playing the chords and then add the melody? Or even better, play with a friend. That is the essence of music after all. Of course, there is much more to learn from this song, for example, the second part of the melody. And if you would like to learn that, let me know in the comments. Work on the melody and the chord changes. Practice slowly and work towards the original tempo of the song, which is around 100 BPM. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For a free lesson with me, check the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao!